Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss about a job notification regarding Assam Police Sub Inspector. As you know that police job is very respectful and the police person are very crucial for maintaining the social order in a society. So without wasting time, let's start discussion about the job description. So friends, let's start a discussion about the job notification notified by the Assam government, Assam Police. So the total number of post vacancies are 306, as you can see from here. The total vacancy post is 306 and the total division of the post is given also here, mentioned under each category. The other important facts of the job is the salary. The salary is, you can see from here, that it is starting from the 14,000 to 60,000 with a grade pay 8,700, and the form fill-up has already started from 10th December 2021, but the last date is 9 January 2022. So any graduation who has completed their graduations have still time to apply for the job. This job opportunity is also good for women person because each category, the total vacancy, out of total vacancy, 30% is category are reserved for women. So let's start discussion about the eligibility criteria. What your education required, what the other qualification you require for the job category. First is thing, you have to be a permanent resident of Assam along with your Indian citizenship. So and then you have to have the local employment exchange of Assam. This is a certificate is mandatory or issued by the Assam government. So there is an online portal to apply for the certificate. Then the candidates must speak Assamese or any other state language fluently. Those other languages are, as we know, the state languages are Bengali, Bodo, and Assamese. So you have to speak. You must have to speak one language correctly or fluently. The crucial other important facts is about your age. The age limit is already given in the police inspector job. That should not be exceeded 26 hours and should not be less than 20 years. But there's relaxment for other categories, SC, ST and OBC for 5 years and 3 years. This is a very good opportunity for the student who have qualified already passed the graduation. The graduation should be from any branch, that may be from the arts or science or commerce or any equivalent stream, but it should be from a recognized college or an institute. But there are other many factors are that you should have a physical standard. These are must for the police inspector, sub inspector job. What these are given, the details are given here for all male and female, the height and your chest size. So anyone have that can apply for the job. But there are other factors which are, you can see, we need some medical standards also. So the medical standards are as described, they have given it. You should not have a squinted eyes. Now the question is, what is a squint eyes? Squint eyes is that the eyes where the visual axis are not parallel, means you are seeing something but your corona is placed in another direction. The both direction of the coronas are not equal. Then other important fact that the person should be free from some disease, as mentioned, diabetes, hernia, piles and respiratory diseases. The other important fact is the eyesight. You should have a good vision sight and that should be preferably 6x6 sight. So let's see how to apply for the job applicant. First of all, you have to apply through the portal. What you know, you have the portal name is given here. If you type this slpbrpassam.in, a portal will open. From there, you first have to register your name and details with your phone number. With that registered, they will send you a ID, login ID, and you will need to create a password. With that, you can log in and can proceed for the job filling. So guys, this is the page when you will open and click that URL given in the sheet. This will be the page will be opened. Here many advertisement is given and you can see the SI sub inspector advertisement from here also. And the other portal is in the first page. You can see that here's the admit card download portal and online application portal. You have to click here to get registered. So let's start. If I click here online application portal, it will open this page. This is called the actual full step to apply for the post. From here you have to register first, There you will get a police requirement ID, as I mentioned earlier also. From that ID you can log in and create your password, and you can apply for different post or a single post if you are interested. And then after completing the post and submitting the details, you have to download your acknowledgement page, so that after some time you have a proof of where you have applied if anything happens or anything. It should be a student's duty to keep a format with himself also. So we have discussed already how to apply. Now let's see what is the selection procedure. The selection procedure, first you have a MCQ test, that is you have a multiple choice question type, and this will be only selecting some questions answer from there, and it is a OMR based. And that OMR based means you will be given a page where you have to make dots for the correct answer, that is, and you have 100 marks, or there will be 100 questions for 3 hours. The subjects are also given. Here you have a logical reasoning, that is the aptitude part, that should be arithmetic. From your mathematical aptitude they will be seen. Then there will be relating our history and culture of Assam, general knowledge as required for many examination. And you have to dot that OMR sheet with black or blue pen only. A student can take the exam in any of the following languages, that is Assamese, Bodo, Bengali or English. So after the qualifying written test, who will qualify, they will be called for the next round. The next round will be PST, PET, that is your physical standard test and efficiency test. For physical standards test, you have to come along with your some documents what you have mentioned during your form fill-up. So everyone, this is the full list of documents what you have to submit during your form fill-up. That is your certificate of age proof, you have to give in your certificate for caste certificate, or your PRC also should be given there, and the others are mandatory documents are also mentioned here. For details you can read the documents what you required. After the document verification, who will qualify, they will be called for the PST, and there you have the PST doesn't carry any marks. It is just a visual. They will check your different vision or colored or your height and any physical deformities you have or not. After your PST test, there will be PET test, which is called the physical efficiency test, which carry 40 marks. There are two main things you have to do. For male and transgender candidates, there will be race and long jump. The race will be for 1600 meters and the long jump will be minimum 335 centimeters. Each carry 20 marks. If the total details of the race 1600 meters is given here, if anyone complete the race in 300 seconds or less, they will given the highest mark for 20 marks, and after that they will reduce some marks and given in details is given here. Reward for also long jump is also mentioned here. If anyone makes a long jump for 500 centimeters, they will be given 20 marks full. And the same goes for the female also. The female race and long jump, but the race is only 800 meters, which maximum qualifying time is 240 seconds, and long jump is minimum 244 centimeters. And the division is also same as for race 20 marks, and for long jump it also 20 marks. Students who have done many extracurricular activities during their student life and college days, they will get a preference. How? Because here we can see that total maximum marks are given for extracurricular is 30 marks, and there's a many division, like whoever has done NCC, they will be given 5 marks according their as per certificate, it is C certificate, B certificate or A certificate. Then for home guards, it will be given maximum marks is 5 marks, and the sports quota the maximum marks is 10 marks. For extra academic achievement, you are given 10 marks. The all details are given. I am not going to read all the details. Anyone interested, they can read from the notification, because they must read this, because before applying you should know all the details where you can achieve more marks. This will be useful for yourself. There is then at the last moment there will be a Viva of 5 marks. So the total marks merit list will be against the 175 marks, where we have seen all the details of that. What is the 100 marks written exam, then your PET test for 40 marks, extracurricular 30, and 5 marks for the Viva. The one more important factors about the job vacancy is that you do not have to pay for any fee. The job apply is totally free from any fee for students. So friends, I have till now discussed I have given a glimpse of the notified job vacancy and what your minimum requirement and how one will be qualified or selected for the job vacancy. I hope these details will be very useful for yourself. If you like, then you should also share this video to other students also who can actually apply and are eligible, but they are not informed how they can apply for this job. So you may help others through this video also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these data are very much useful for you and others also. I hope everyone who are eligible, they participate, and all the best for the students who have applied for the job and prepare for exam. Thank you very much.